How to fix your request was declined as we detected unusual activity on Temu. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password, and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this page. In here, head over to you at the bottom. And then click on this gear icon at the very top right corner. Proceed to account security. Firstly, if you haven't added your mobile number, you simply had to add it. So click on add right beside mobile number. Select your specific country and then add it. Once you have entered your mobile number, click on submit and then it will be added successfully. After that, what you want to do is, you have to enable a two-factor authenticator. So beside two-factor authentication, tap on turn on. Follow the on-screen process and then enable the two-factor authenticator. Once it has been enabled, the next thing you want to try doing is simply clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all the unwanted bugs and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Temu and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix your request was declined as we have detected an unusual activity. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.